My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called SNWKZ. SNWKZ is the ransomware that may damage the files. Before the ransomware attack, definitely there are no troubles opening any files. But unfortunately, due to some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that for some reasons they cannot use their data anymore. So whenever they try to open the specific file, they get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this SNWKZ extension. The same applies to all other files. You try to open it and you get this message: Windows can't open this type of file with this SNWKZ additionally appended extension. Some people might think that removing this extension would fix the issue, but that is not true. That does not work. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware actually drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data recovered. So don't pay that ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest you to use a special program called the Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other infections which could still remain on the system. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode, and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully completed and accomplished, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. As I said, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.